Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing about our group presentation and our topic is accounting for lease. This is the name of our group members: Amit, which is me, Sonam, Deepika, Sanjana, Aswini and Sunita. Coming to the introduction, this report discusses about the lease in accounting in context of accounting, theories and its framework. Also, this report discusses about the similarities and differences and pre-reviewed articles on the topic, and also the implications of these articles on the field of accounting. Also, the introduction of financial accounting is at the board, which has helped the growing of lease accounting in significant way with the collaboration of international accounting standard boards. So these are the two articles, which is Bowman and Francis and Cornell, Swaz and Julia Wright, which we have selected to work on. And for the next slide, I would like to call my colleague Sonam.
Hi, my name is Sonam, and today I am going to explain about rationale for selection of articles. As there are various set of reasons behind the selection of articles. The most important reason is that they align with the topic of report. Both of the articles discuss lease accounting and contemporary issues. Another reason is that they discuss changes which have been introduced with the passage of time, shedding light on possible impact of these changes on accountants, regulators and other people who make use of financial information. Lastly, the work of Cornell, Squat, JR and Wright 2011 has been chosen due to emphasis on oil and gas industry. And on the other hand, the study of Bowman and Francis 2011 has been selected because it focuses on issues faced by leisure, which has not been studied extensively. Now the rest portion will be covered by my friend Deepika. Thank you.
I'm Deepika, and today I'm going to discuss about the purpose and research of the article. So the main purpose for Cornell, Schwartz Jr. and Wright's 2011 is to discuss the changes introduced to the reporting and accounting procedures to do with the lease transaction procedures, while simultaneously shedding light on ways, and in which these alterations are likely to impact the oil and gas sector. This research has answered the following questions, like what are the lease agreements, what changes have been introduced to the lease accounting in past few years, and what are the potential impacts, in what ways can the changes impact organization for oil and gas sectors. And for Bowman and Francis 2011, the main purpose is it focuses on discussion of reporting and accounting problems faced by the ledgers, and also it aims to add the existing literature to the topic and add ledgers in the reporting lease transactions more efficiently. In this, the following research questions has been addressed by the article, like what alterations have been introduced by IASB and FASB to lease accounting in the past few years, and also what are the main challenges faced by the ledgers in reporting the lease agreements, and in what ways can the ledgers improve their reporting framework for lease transactions. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Sanjana Rastala. I'm talking about similarities and dissimilarities. There are a number of similarities and dissimilarities between the findings of the selected articles. In similarities, both the articles reveal that lease accounting has undergone major changes since its addition to agenda of IASB and FASB. In addition to that, both articles comment that these changes have given rise to a number of challenges in lease reporting. Both the articles comment on the growing importance of lease accounting and the need for resolution of issues associated with it. The studies clearly suggest that lease transactions are performed by numerous organizations throughout the world, adding to the importance of lease accounting. Lastly, both the articles point out the new lease accounting procedures have made lease reporting procedures more complex, negatively impacting the quality of disclosures. Now, I'm speaking about difference. The first research paper is focused on the oil and gas sector, and resultingly its findings are more to do with it, while those of the second research articles are more concerned with issues faced by the ledgers. In addition to that, while Cornell state that changes in lease accounting are likely to cause issues pertaining to applicability of financial ratios, deferred tax position, and debt covenants. While Boorman and Francis claim that major issues are limited to balance sheet and residual values. Thank you.
My name is Ashwini and I'm going to talk about the implications of Cornell Swartz Jr. and Wright. According to him, the implication on accountant and Australian organizations are they are supposed to oblige and adapt to the new procedures that are issued by the IASB. Also, the accountants have to alter their lease reporting and reflect it in the liability side of the balance sheet. Accountants also have to include all the lease which includes the vehicle, property and the equipment. The implications are also on the accounting regulators, which is they need to the accounting regulators have to adopt all the new lease accounting standards put forward by IASB and FASB. The accounting regulators are also responsible for organization present accurate information regarding their lease in the balance sheet. Accounting regulators have to supervise the organization so that they disclose all the lease items in the balance sheet. Thank you.
And I'm doing my part today, that is Bowman and Francis 2011. Here are some implications in order to carry on. And the first point in the implication is accountant ensure proper disclosure and minimize aggregation of these items. In these points, we're gonna calculate, we're gonna include the improved quality of reporting regarding marketing of assets after the lease term has been terminated. And in second point, accountant are responsible for revelation of residual value and quality of assets. In this, accounting regulators also need to increase supervision over ledgers and organizations having considerable investment in ledgers. And third term, we have major roles of ledgers and ledgers in accounting standards. In this point, we're going to consider the accountants need to clearly specify the nature of residual value and their terms. And in conclusion, we get the point as lease accounting has been subject to interest from IASB, FASB in the past decade, leading it to the launch of new lease accounting standard. This has introduced a number of challenges in lease reporting, ranging from greater complexity to increased cost. However, accounting regulators and other stakeholders can benefit the aforementioned implication and combat the challenges associated with lease accounting. So we finish our group presentation here. Thank you so much.